Welcome back with some more meaty tofu, and today I'm playing Baldi's Basics for, pretty much the first time. And every time I get caught, I have to eat a beanboozeld. I have to spin the wheel twice and eat 2 beanboozeld every single time I get one wrong. So, that's gonna be fun. Alright, so let's start. I played a little to get used to the controls, but I didn't go through more than 2 notebooks. So, this is going to be fun. So, this is Baldi, if you didn't know. If this is the first time you're seeing Baldi, this is him. Oh, his hands look like they're just bone. Except for, the palm. It's just a circle. And, Baldi, my main man right here, you have something wrong with your hands. You should probably get that checked out. Alright, so I've watched enough YouTube of it to know that you gotta get everyone right. You gotta strive to get everyone right. As many as you can. So, 9 plus 0 I'm pretty sure is 9. 0? 9 plus 7. 16. Wow, I exist! I love that compliment. I'm gonna use it way too much. A shiny quarter? A shiny quarter! Hope it's not a shiny... Okay, good. I was gonna say, hope it's not a shiny beanboozeld. Also, I got some complaints in the last video that some people thought I was saying some bad stuff. Trust me, I don't. If you thought I said anything, it's just BAM. B-A-M. Sorry, ran out of time to add more subjects. That was probably the last chalkboard that the designer, did. Sorry, ran out of time to add more subjects. AKA jokes. So, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, 10... 2 plus 2. I'm not sure. Wait, what? Okay. I think it's 4. Oh no. 0. It's 0. I know this. 1. Look at his face. How do your lips do that? They're not even on his face anymore. I have no lips. Shift. Shift is run. So I press shift and then I move. Also, I think sweeping time is right here. Sweeping time? Yep, there he is. In all of his sweeping glory. I'm gonna shift because I feel like he's getting close. Why is the principal in my classroom? Don't you just hate it when that happens and the principal's middle of your classroom? He's just watching, Just watching, that's all. Okay. I think this is -1. Let me think. Yeah, -1. 4 plus 8. Okay. 8. 4 plus 8. I have no idea. Give me a second here. Okay, I think I have the answer. -4. Wait, why isn't it typing? -4. Great job. You got it. Great job. You got it. Okay, I think the answer, I can see a 5 clearly, right here, where I'm clicking on. I say the answer is, okay, are you guys ready for this? 1 billion, oh, I didn't click on it. 1 billion, 2 blah, 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 blah numbers. That's the answer. What? Why? I thought that was the answer. You jerk, that was the answer! I hear him. That was close. I'm gonna use my... Get in the doorway. Get in the doorway! Where is he? Oh no, I messed up! Wait, I see his... No! I'm done. Ah, oh, man, now I gotta eat a beanboozeld. Alright. Let's see this. Alright. I gotta eat 2 beanboozeld. Also, this is the special minion edition, so this might be a minion fart in here. Let's see. Oh, the smell! Oh, I only opened up the package and I'm already about to barf. Okay. Let's spin the wheel of bean. And we got... No! No! My least favorite one. Coconut or spoiled milk. Oh, I need water for this. I almost puked last time I did that one. Oh, I hate this one. I got some water ready, but I'll have to stand up to get it. So pardon me if I go off the screen. Okay. One of these, you can't really tell on the camera. Actually, you kind of can. But one of these is darker, and one of them is lighter. And I'm gonna go for the lighter one. So, I hope it's coconut and not spoiled milk. Smell it? Ready? Oh, it doesn't smell pleasant. That's not good. Okay. No, I got spoiled milk. My mouth. Oh, that hurt. Alright. I gotta do 2. I'm just gonna do 1 though. That was bad enough. Oh, there's some stuck on my teeth. Oh, it's getting worse. How does your arm bend like that, dude? I want my arm to bend like that. Teach me, teacher. Teach me, Obi-Wan. You're our only hope. It's not quite what she said exactly, but it's close. I think it's 0. Nope. I didn't even type in 0. 6. 5. Also, I'm just doing this run to see how many problems I can get wrong before he catches me. I'm not eating a beanboozled after this one. And also, I can't leave this area until I get both notebooks, so... No, that's gonna be fun. What? Also, he can't get in here, I don't think. Oh, he's on the wall glitch! Wait, I think he's getting closer and closer, though. He's got the wall glitch! The wall glitch is where he goes from one wall, and then he tries to teleport closer, and goes all the way across it, and gets stuck on the other wall, and then tries to go back and forth. Almost infinitely? Almost. If you don't open any doors, ever, then it works. So I think this one is 9, so I'm gonna try and do this one right. 1 minus 7. Let me think. -6. That's my answer. 97. That's the clearest one. That's the clearest number I've ever seen on the bottom. It's just 97 right there. I'm actually gonna type in 97. Nope, still didn't work. Better than nothing. Alright. Now, room 99. I feel like he's getting closer. Oh, yep, he's definitely getting closer. Definitely getting closer. Please don't get any closer, Mr. Baldy. You're freaking me out, man! Freaking me out! Don't get any closer. Okay, I think we're slightly faster than him. I didn't get my quarter. Wait, what am I stuck on? Oh, locker. We're slightly faster. If we hurry. Oh, there's the principal. Why can't the principal send Baldy to detention? Wait, this way. I'll open this mailbox with my teeth. Can we lose him? Or is it like the kind of IA? The AI that just locks onto you and never leaves you, ever. I'm getting far away enough that he can't hear me. Wait, can he go through the bully? Wait, I hear him. He's coming this way. I didn't have any candy. I guess principal's keys since they're in here. Ooh, I want to get sweeped for my first time in my life. Oh, come on. Wait, I'm gonna see if the glitch where you go through the wall. Oh, hurry. If I back up into this corner, because I say I'm caught. Did he just sweep me through the wall? I think I just got swept through a wall. Wait, there he is. Oh, he's coming in. I'm backed into the corner as far as I'll go. I think. Yep, it works. Now we just get a nice look at his hands. I also just noticed something. His shirt moves when he slaps his ruler, but not his head. Like, it goes up. Like, the pixels, they look like they move up. Does this work in any corner? Maybe this is just the easiest corner to do it in. Also, wouldn't your hand hurt? Unless it is made of bones. It's probably just made of bones. That makes more sense. Let me fix the webcam a little bit. Alright, so, is there a way I can... No, there is not. Candy bar. Yay. I love candy bar. Candy bar is my friend. That did not count as a beanboozled since I tried to get caught. That's my excuse today. Oh, that beanboozled was awful. Alright. I might also do another video today on Vex because that was pretty fun. You, my friend, are a monster. Also, your shirt moves. Look at his beautiful shirt. I'm not zooming in. I just walked this close. Do you want to know something cool about this part, though? See how he's right in the middle of the hallway? Right in the middle? What's wrong with your shoes, bro? When you turn around, he's over on the side. Then when you go back over here, he's in the middle. Like, watch. I'll walk right through where Baldy is. Bam. Now he's on the side. So if I go like this and walk through him, and then turn around, he'll be in the middle. I just thought that's something interesting that most people don't know. Actually, I shouldn't do this one first. I should do 99 first. This one. Sorry, I ran out of time to add more subjects. I also really want that quarter. Isn't that -1? I'm gonna think real fast. Nah, I'm just kidding. I don't think ever in my life, ever. Not even once. Almost 1, isn't that 3? 5 minus 9, oh boy. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. -1, -2, -3, -4. -1? No. -4? That makes more sense. Wow, I exist! I'm incredible, guys! Did you hear that? I exist and I'm incredible. That's the best compliment anyone's ever given me. I love it. Thank you. Thank you, Baldy. Oh wait, wrong way. I'm used to coming out of that door. Cool. You know what? If you guys know how to change